contemporary time, right? Okay. Heavy metal, ceoil trom vitalach. So trom is heavy, and metal is metal, and metallic is the adjective version of it. Huh?
How come you're not saying trom vitalach?
Trom vitalach, yeah.
Oh, that's what you said, okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, metal by itself is metal, but when you have a combination of two words, it aspirates the second one. So trom vitalach. And disco music, ceoil disco.
Ceoil disco.
And Irish music, ceoil éireannach.
Ceoil éireannach.
Or Celtic music, ceoil celtach.
Ceoil celtach.
Easy listening, Ray ceoil.
Ray ceoil.
And soundtracks, fuam rianta.
Fuam rianta.
So fuam is sound, rian is a track or a mark that's left by something. So fuam rianta, soundtracks. Okay, so a bunch of different things. So, what's your favorite band, or what's your favorite band of music? Ken Bana Ceoil is Farlet.
Ken Bana Ceoil is Farlet.
Or who's your favorite singer? Literally, what singer is best with you? Ken Aurani is Farlet.
Ken Aurani is Farlet.
And some Auron, which is a song. Or what's your favorite musical instrument, or what instrument of music is best with you? Ken Earlish Ceoil is Farlet.
Ken Earlish Ceoil is Farlet.
You notice ceoil sometimes, you've seen ceoil three ways here. Okay, you've seen the word ceoil three different ways in here, other than the one I misspelled at the top. But ceoil is the word for music. Okay, it's a masculine word in Irish, so if you say the music, it's on ceoil, on ceoil. Okay? Ceoil and ceoil are both the genitive forms, I mean, of music. Okay? The difference is, this one comes after a masculine word like bana. So bana, ceoil is a music group. But this one comes after a feminine word, so Earlish is feminine, so Earlish ceoil is a musical instrument. So this is a band of music, and this is an instrument of music, and the only difference is masculine, this is feminine. In Irish in general, when you have a word that modifies another word, then it unites after a feminine word and not after a masculine word. Okay.
You treat the genitive just like an adjective.
Very much, yeah.
Hey, can you say kill Kaylee?
Yeah. Yeah. Music for Kaylee, yeah.
Not Shaylee?
You wouldn't, ceoil is masculine, so you wouldn't do that, but yeah, typically there's some other more involved rules that have to do with different plurals and cases and such, but basically. And I think it's pretty much, I've seen that it tends to be followed for the most part, so, and written and spoken. So. The problem when you hear spoken a lot of times, people are talking and they're interacting with each other, so they'll start a sentence, someone will interrupt them and change the topic, you'll continue on, and they might change the case of what they're about to say, so it may break the grammatical rules a lot when they're talking, because they may just say the word and not put it in the correct tense or a correct case or tense or whatever it is, just because someone interrupted their sentence. It's a very, because in English the word doesn't change much, so you can say the same word in different sentences and it doesn't do anything. In Irish you can say the same thing 3 or 4 different ways and one of the words will change each time, okay, depending on whether it's the subject or the object or it's following another word or whatever. So it makes it a little tricky. Okay, so let's just read through those again. So, Cúrsaí ceoil is Farlet. Is Mayom Gachsaí ceoil. Is Mayom ceoil tradiisiúnta. Ceoil clásicach. Gormacha. Ceoil etnach. Ceoil dawanda. Ceoil tíre. Ceoil tuatha. Rock ceoil. Snog ceoil. Rap ceoil.
Rap Ceoil,
Anam Ceoil,
Anam Ceoil,
Hop Ceoil.
Pop Ceoil,
Actually, we could probably stick Ceoil in front of them. So Ceoil Co Amshirha,
Ceoil Coamshirha,
Ceoil Trom Betalach,
Ceoil Transgitala,
Ceoil Disco,
Ceoil Disco,
Ceoil Eranach,
Ceoil Erna,
Ceoil Celtach,
Ceoil Celta,
Ray Ceoil,
Ray Ceoil,
Fumrianta.
Fumrinta,
I guess Ken Bana Ceoil is Farlet,
Sargat,
Ken Aurani is Farlet,
Ken Arana Sargat,
Ken Erlish Ceoil is Farlet.
Ken Dervish Ceoil Sargat.
Okay. So let's try doing some questions here. Try to stick to the vocabulary we have here. So, okay. So, Vicky, and Malyat and Bauran. Isma. So Malyat and Bauran, you like Bauran. Isma. Okay, I guess here. And Malyat, Ceoil Classica.
Oh, it's Comalion.
Okay. Camelome, right?
It's
Okay,
Comalion.
right. Okay. I guess Fam and Malyat Snaghiol.
Ismayam Gaksais Kyo.
Okay. I guess Hjarn and Malyat Ceoil Eranach. Okay. Achivin and Malyat Gormacha.
Ismail.
Yeah, okay. I guess Vihil and Malyat Rachel.
Nima Yome.
Okay. I guess Ribarch and Malyat Raphiol.
Yimano,
Samuel, Rat Joel, Joel.
Ni Ceoil, you can say Ni Ceoil a Raphiol.
I don't know if you said rock or rap, but I don't like how it went, so it doesn't matter.
Or you can say it's Camelum Kaftaraka. I don't care about either of them. Okay. Ni Ceoil a Raphiol. Okay. Stochen nach Malyat a Marshin. Okay. I guess Matt and Malyat Ceoil Tira.
Kultur,
Ja.
Isma.
Okay, I guess Vandy and Malyat Ceoil Trombetalach.
Nima.
Okay.
I guess
Equal a.
you can say Ni Ceoil a Shin.
I was looking for the word for either.
Acharid.
Character.
Acharid is either in the negative. Acharid. Ni Ceoil a Shin Acharid, so that's not music either. Okay. I guess a Wargit. And Malyat Ceoil Tuha. All right. Okay. I guess, okay, with the Lord. I guess, Chokamisharash Kikishop, so we'll come back to this. So, Iber Ficha Kafir Anish. So, do you go to musical concerts? So, and J2 Kikyo Khramacha. So, in Jan 2, do you go Chig to Kyo Khramacha? It's the plural of Kyo Khram concerts. Okay, you can say yes from time to time. Chaim Oam Goham. So I go from time to time. Or I go often. Chaim Gominik. I go regularly. Chaim Gorilta. Or I never go. Nihaim Riyav. And if you go, you can say, who do you go with? Kele Shahan to. So literally, who with him do you go? Okay, so Kelesh, who with him, a hand to, that you go. Okay? And you can say, I go with my husband. Chaim in Enach Lamar Kela. So in Einach le is together with, okay? So, or you can say Chem in Einach le meven chela. Okay, or my friend Machara, my friends Macharja, my kids Mafashti. Or you can say Mafashti or you can say Machij Fashti, my portion of kids. Okay. Or Mahailach, my family. Okay. Or you can say Mawak Manin or Mawadra, whatever, okay? Alright. So, yeah, Mawonki, right? Okay. Now, a few more questions you can ask. Is the past tense, did you go? So, did you go to a concert recently? Anyachitu kikyocharam lejani. So, anyachitu, did you go? Chig